Many people think delivering food is about racing against time. But I know, it's not just a pursuit of speed, but also the ultimate control of driving. Because of it, I can deliver everyone's on time. There are always unexpected accidents on the road. Safety and stability are our greatest reliance. It accompanies me from one order to another, measuring every corner of the city with its wheels. Life is not so vigorous, but with it, no matter how far the road is, it can accompany you. Ayosha and the night go together.